Vietnam announces 90-day visa open-door policy to attract foreign tourists. With the new policy, which grants 3 times longer stay, Vietnam hopes to attract tourists as well as investors. The government emphasized that the extension of e-visa validity to 90 days, 3 times longer than the current 30 days, will be an open-door policy in attracting more foreigners to visit Vietnam, as well as seek investment and business opportunities, creating a driving force to promote the country's socio-economic development. The effective date for the new visa policy is August 15th. Previously, the National Assembly asked the government to provide more specific arguments for the proposal to extend the validity of e-visas from 30 days to 90 days, and the proposal to extend the duration of temporary residence permits at the border gates for visa-exempt unilateral entry visitors from 15 days to 45 days. The government stated that since the implementation of the e-visa pilot phase in 2017, the number of foreigners requesting e-visas has been increasing. However, due to the current short duration of 30 days for e-visas, it has not attracted more foreigners as expected. The government has proposed to extend the validity of e-visas to 3 months, valid for single or multiple entries, to meet the long-term vacation needs of international tourists. In particular, foreigners who wish to have a longer stay for vacation, market research, or investment opportunities in Vietnam need relatively longer durations. The new policy will provide favorable conditions for foreigners who want to conduct research, market surveys, and promote investment opportunities in Vietnam, especially for those who need to visit multiple countries in the region and return to Vietnam to evaluate and compare investment and business opportunities. Extending the e-visa validity to 3 months is suitable for foreigners responsible for establishing commercial presence, service providers, and contract suppliers as committed to by Vietnam in free trade agreements. According to the government, the issuance of e-visas for these cases is carried out through pre-approval of personnel. Therefore, compared to unilateral visa exemptions, this policy helps immigration authorities screen individuals who do not meet entry requirements or the requirements of management work.